moms, hi homemakers. I have a question for you today. How often do you clean your fridge? Personally, I normally try to deep clean it at least once a month, but it's advisable to do it oftenly so that whenever you put in food in the fridge, it's going to a clean space and things like that. But if you're able to maintain a clean fridge for a month, you can be doing your deep cleaning once a month like me. So today I want to share my entire process, and this whole video has been inspired by my monthly vegetables and fruits shopping, which I did over the weekend, and I want to clean those, put them aside, clean the fridge deep clean, so that when I store everything, we're in a clean space. All right, my name is Robertina. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe if I haven't said that already. Like this video and leave a comment down below at the end of the video. So here's our fridge. It's you know, I love LG. That's how it looks inside. It's a small fridge, but we have stayed with this fridge for over 10 years. Anyway, so overnight and yesterday I switched it off so that these foodstuffs could melt down. Not melt, I needed the ice. You see how thick it was, so it was eating up a lot of space, so I needed this thick ice to melt, so that's why I switched it off. So I need to be working really quickly because the foods, they won't stay for long. All right, so let me get these things out and then we can start cleaning the fridge right away. So guys, the other day I was on Instagram and I saw a friend of mine, you know, on her Instagram stories talking about washing eggs, and I was of the idea that you'd rather wash your eggs before you put them in the fridge. Normally, before I used to buy like 4, 5, or rather like 6 eggs, and then that would be it. So I don't know if you can see me. I hope you can. So the point was, if you wash your eggs, you strip it from a certain protective layer which prevents bacteria from going inside the egg. And then I remember this one time where I bought many eggs from the supermarket and I could not stand the smell. They were smelling like chicken poop, and the entire kitchen was just smelling like chicken poop, and I had to wash those eggs before storing them in the fridge. So at the end of the day, she ended up deciding to leave the eggs alone. And then I was making fun of the entire situation. I just told her, just wash, fridge, and eat them as fast as you can before the bacteria is aware. Yeah, anyway, that's me trying a little bit of humor. Anyway, let's continue. Do you guys normally put baking powder in your fridge? I've said this so many times that I should get a better container to put it in, but I think I'm gonna throw these away. It's been a while since we've had it. It's been over like 4 months. I need a fresh one. The reason why I put this is so that it absorbs all the odors in the fridge, and this really helps in keeping your fridge to smell fresh throughout. So my fridge never smells bad, never, because of this baking powder or bicarbonate soda, whichever you find. Then find a nice container, put it where you don't, like, low traffic area. Normally I put it here because I don't do so much items on this upper shelf. Yeah, but I'm planning to upgrade. I'm gonna find a container. I must have a container in this house, and then I'll put the baking powder inside so that you can keep doing its job. So that's a tip for you to make sure that you have a fresh fridge throughout. So the fridge is now empty, very ready to clean. I've already switched it off from the power source to make sure we don't have like electric accidents, you know what I mean. And you can see it was really dirty. I forgot to remove this one. Really dirty. Look at that. I'm even ashamed, but I won't be ashamed because this is how life is. Remember, over here on this channel we stay real. Yeah, and we'll clean this up in a bit and everything will be fine. All right, so you do this more frequently, like a deep clean once a month, and then weekly just normal cleaning. Right, so for today we're doing a deep clean. You can see.
taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you'll beg me, please. Hey. Now I stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away. I'll hear you say you're sorry.
So this is the last stage of my fridge washing these counters. I'm done with that, and I'm going to dry them and put them in the fridge because I need to use this surface for the veggies. So the rest of the job is to just organize the compartments in the fridge to enable easy organization of all my fridge items. And then I will handle the vegetables after this, and you will see that in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you have your notification bell on. Sorry, I have a cold. My voice is kind of muffled, but yeah, I hope you can hear me. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you for your time here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.